Hi guys, welcome back. I look so pretty. Okay, no one knows I'm vlogging. I'm trying to improve my talking to the camera. Like, gusto ko mag-improve kung paano ko mag-talk sa camera. Titignan natin kung ano improve natin year later. Congratulations to you, Manalo. Believe that you won because you are destined to wear that girl. So don't mind the bashers. Ito talaga yung crab mentality sa Pilipinas. Like, girl, nanalo na yung tao. Bakit pinagpipilitan pa din na hindi siya deserve it? It's bad. There's a reason kaya siya nanalo. Kasi she's deserving. She will not win kung hindi siya deserving. Kung hindi niya deserve yung cup. Let's look at the good side, okay? It's the pambato of the Philippines. Pambato natin siya, so don't downgrade her. Like, let us support her, show support. Kasi nakikita ko yung nagsusupport pa kay Adisa is foreign countries pa yun. Like, because you're not ashamed. Hindi ba kayo nahihiya? Iba yung susuporta sa dapat tayo ang susuporta. That's not nice. You know, this is so pretty. Can't believe it. So freaking pretty. Freaking awesome. Take me to church, I'll wash you like a child and drive you like before I tell you my dream. So you get off my eyes. I love this. Like, I really love this. Guys, you know, it's time for you to make your own vision board kasi it's gonna be worth it because I believe that what you manifest will really happen. The universe is listening, and that's true. I 100% believe in that. So you're the only one I know. Believe in life eternal. I believe in it. Grabe, sweet na ulo ko. Parang siyang hindi siya kaya ng kahit sino. Hindi siya kaya ng sino man. Guys, wait lang ha. Iguhitan ko lang to kasi. Alam niyo ba, nung panahon ng pandemic, like, OMG. So obsessed with, alam niyo, okay. Kung may mga kaisipan sa inyo magtanong, paano ko natuto mag-English? Kasi supposedly naman talaga dapat marunong mag-English in the age of 19. I mean, like, kasi not all I'm not, no offense, pero not everyone are able to speak English or able to understand maybe and to speak it. Pero kasi malaki talaga yung impact na nangyari last time ng pandemic. Alam niyo ba ng pandemic, guys? Grabe, super obsessed ako sa mga vlogs. And hindi siya basta vlogs lang, pero yeah, I'm also watching Filipino local vlogs like that. But I'm watching like family vlogs like the Khan Fam. I'm a big fan of the Khan family. And also I'm a fan of LeBron fam, Fish fam, Ace family, you know. And when talaga super heartbroken din ako ng nangyari sa kanila, but it's still good to see that they are co-parenting with Elle, Steele, Aliyah. It's really good to see. When I watch their vlogs, when I'm watching their vlogs, time that I'm watching their vlogs, yung panahon na yan, I was like, gusto ko din ng ganun. Like, I'm planning to build my own channel, but you know, in the future with my family, and I feel like, oh my god, I'm ruining. It's not good, I guess. But let's see what's gonna happen. Nagawa ko naman itong vlog kasi gusto ko na may kausap. Pero ayoko nang kausap na hindi ko ka-vibes. You know, I really don't like hanging out with people who's who don't know who don't have manners. Like, I don't know how to explain this, pero mabilis ako mag-turn off. I mean, hindi siya turn off na hindi kami in love. Mabilis yung turn off in a way na parang, ayoko na. Hindi ko bet yung tao na to. Sorry to say that na I'm so easy, I'm so quick to judge. Pero kasi like, guys, I don't like people na they don't pay attention to what they are saying. Like, hindi sila pay ng attention dun sa binibitawan nilang salita. They don't know if they're hurting others na, like, they're not being so sensitive, diba, with the words. It's not nice, diba? Kasi you know, your words are sharp as, you don't know that our words are sharp as as knife. It can cut and cause scar that is matagal mag-heal. You know what I'm saying? It's maganda kasi kapag you know the basic manners. Kasi one time, I'm not gonna mention any name. It's also bad. Kasi one time, you know guys, ano ba ito? I am with someone. I am with with people that I know, and then the other girl accidentally ano ba yung dish doon? Nasagi yung gamit nung kasama ko. Hindi ko siya kasama. I mean, kakilala ko lahat sila, pero mostly nakakasama ko siya. So, nasagi nung isa yung gamit nung nakakasama ko. Tapos, grabe siya mag-react. Sorry to say that, but instead of saying na, oh, it's okay, okay lang yun. Kasi kung ako yun, I would just say, ay, ako pa yung sorry. Sabi ko, ay, sorry. Hindi ko naiitabi yung gamit ko. I'm gonna say that. Pero siya, the way she reacts, she said like, di kasi nag-iingat. Hindi kasi, parang, she's blaming her. The fact that, hindi naman niya sinasuggest, like, it was an accident, and people around her, like, people around that girl, is normalizing her behavior, and that's not good. I am actually easy to let go of people like that. Ayoko sumama sa mga ganung vibes ng tao. Like, sisirain mo din ako eh. I mean, like, kasi I'm afraid na baka maging ganun din ako kasi na-absorb ko din kasi yung I don't know how to explain it. Kahit nasa tama ka and kasalanan na lahat, ba't nagpapakumbaba ka and you don't easily, you don't get mad easily, you don't bitaw words na can hurt your feelings. Nowadays, people are so easy to be depressed, and that's really a bad thing. We should check on people as always as possible, like a simple kamusta ka naman, kamusta ka, like okay ka lang ba, may problema ka ba, something like that. That's a big a big help. That's a big thing now we can offer to someone. We should take it as a lesson. Guys, pero huwag dyan naman niya siya super bait kong tao. Of course, I know how to be angry sometimes. But you know, kailangan natin lumugar. Okay? Not every time. Hindi dapat palagi nilalabas yung tunay mong ugali. Hindi, yeah. dapat nilulugar man din. Grabe itong week na to, ina-expect ko talaga wala na kaming gagawin na yung week. Like, ang ina-expect ko bakasyon na kasi yung iba nagbabakasyon na, tapos kami, hirap na rin kami. Saka kami pinatorture pa din linggo-linggo. I just wanna write songs and songs and songs. May program lang talaga nung kay Taylor Swift dito sa Pinas. I'm gonna grab it. Really, she's a mother. Nagupit ko na kanina. Pinakat ko na. Talaga. Okay, what is we gonna talk about today? You know, I wanna learn how to speak Spanish. Before, I wanna learn how to speak Spanish. And then when I got so obsessed with, what do you call that? GL series. But GL series, it's really popular in Thailand. One thing about me kasi, I am not, you know, the Korea's impact in, I don't know, globally or in the Philippines. First, specifically in Philippines. Super sikat niya, grabe be. Like, ang sikat niya, and then at the time of pandemic, they were so obsessed, they were so crazy watching the, yung mga, ang dagan, Korean novela, Korean drama, I don't know what they call that, may tawag pa dun eh. They're so freaking obsessed, and I was like, hindi ako nakuha. I don't know if I'm gonna say na I'm proud, pero yung ML, up until now, I don't know how to play ML. And I was like, oh my freaking gosh! Freaking gosh! I guess I'm gonna say bye.